Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light that looks better than what you get from the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Osmo's video resolution isn't as ambitious as the Hero 13's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240, and it does better than any DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with 40MP RAW DNG and JPG capture. We love its large, dual touch screens, 2-hour battery life at 4K 60, and waterproofing for depths up to 59 feet. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is the most well-rounded action cam for the money, and especially appealing to content creators who already own or may want to use DJI's high-quality Mic 2 wireless audio system. It's also a top choice for those who value low-light recording. The front touch screen is handy for self-recording, and the camera's tough build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking during rough and tumble use. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black may not be the latest from the action cam powerhouse, but we see it as the best value option in the company's current lineup. For $60 less than the newer Hero 13, you get video that's just as good, with excellent slow-motion options, 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, plus 10-bit color in HDR, SDR, or flat profiles. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. The Hero 12 Black is about as versatile an action cam as you can find. Surfers, skateboarders, and other X Games participants can strap the camera to their person or board to get first-person views of stunts. Vloggers should appreciate its front-facing color display, standard tripod socket, and media mod accessory system. Number 3. Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 is the best camera for dual-lens, 360-degree video at 8K resolution for a clear, detailed picture. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling, too, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X5. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is the best 360-degree camera for creators on a budget. Its dual lenses capture the entire world, and a smartphone editing app lets you creatively reframe the spherical video to draw attention to a subject. The X3 records at 5.7K resolution, so it holds up to reframing edits, and the camera also has a single-lens 4K capture mode for traditional 16:9 video. It's waterproof too, so you can use it for action scenes and take it as deep as 33 feet without worry. If you're interested in trying 360-degree video but don't have the budget for the latest model, the X3 is a sensible starting point. It uses the same app as fresher models like the X4 and X5 but has a lower cost of entry, so you can see if the editing process, which has a learning curve, makes sense to you without diving in feet first. Number 5. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 rethinks the action cam design. It's modular and has magnetic mounting points that let you place the camera in tight spots that can't quite hold a GoPro. You can even use the camera as a wearable body cam with the included pendant necklace mount. Video quality is strong too, with 4K 120 recording available for action and slow motion. If you're looking for a small, wearable camera for travel logs and adventures, the Action 2 is a good choice. The camera's video features are competitive with GoPros and the industrial design is a winner for style-conscious influencers. If you're looking for an action cam that doesn't look like very other action cam, this is it.